Wisconsin, southeastern Fond du Lac County in east central Wisconsin, Milwaukee County in southeastern Wisconsin, northeastern Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, Racine County
That's a good lightning shield there.
Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin, Washington County in southeastern Wisconsin, southern Sheboygan County in east central Wisconsin until 2:15 a.m. At 1:10 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Campbell Sport to near Whitewater, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour with gusts. Source, radar indicated.
Yeah, that's considerable.
Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Milwaukee, Racine, Waukesha, West Allis, Sheboygan, Wauwatosa, New Berlin, Brookfield, Greenfield, Menominee Falls, Oak Creek, West Bend, Mount Pleasant, Muskego, Mequon, South Milwaukee, Cudahy, Whitefish Bay, Greendale, and Pewaukee. Other landmarks included are the following locations: Schlitzow-Darwin Nature Center, Warner Botanical Gardens, General Mitchell International Airport, Timmerman Airport, Froder and the Medical College, Fisher Farm, Pewaukee Lake, and Pinewoods Campground. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued...
Yeah, I can... Yeah. Oh, never mind, I guess there's not that much lightning. But